OIC was to promote, protect human rights and fundamental freedom in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Biden revoked a proclamation by Trump to block green card holders from entering the US. Deputy Defence Minister make a phone call to UK Secretary of State for Defence. The killing of a Palestinian man by Israel and extrajudicial execution. Senator Jack Reed warns against the hasty withdrawal of US troops from Afghanistan. Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi says the economic ties between Pakistan and Egypt are growing. Armenian PM warns of coup attempt after army demand his resignation. France and Germany to beef up COVID-19 control at common border.